Right there! Right there! Fuck me, dude. That right there fucked me up, dude. Put sandpaper on your keys? That's a good idea. That's a really good idea. How have I... Okay, so I don't have sandpaper, but I do have... Okay, I have a tape that's like a sandpaper material. Hold up. I fucking found it. I fucking found it. Chat, look at this. That's fucking sandpaper, my dudes. That is sandpaper. Alright, it's time. Alright, I'll basically like get a little bit. Yes. Actually, I'll put it on the... You guys ever seen that one video that was like they did surgery on a grape? Not relevant at all, but I thought it was funny. Oh, this is a banger. All right, I think this is perfect. Holy shit, this is insane. Yo! Yo! This could be it. Your fingers are gonna hurt so bad? Listen, man. But if I get the FC, it'll be worth it. They're making me realize how much I rub against my keys a lot. They don't even hurt. I don't know what it is, but like somehow having just a little bit of sandpaper makes it impossible to feel my key presses. The physical feedback from my keys is gone. I can't feel my keys. I don't think this is working. It's not even like affecting my hand at all. Look. Y'all are freaking out for nothing. It's literally not sanding my skin at all. Yet? What do you mean yet? I just can't feel. It's like somehow it became like muffled. Whatever.